Guys, my name is Nur Atika binti Aziz. My metric number is 01DKA19F1108. So today I want to share about the example answer of the question on interview. So let's start. My name is Nur Atika binti Aziz. I recently graduated from Unku Omar Polytechnic Ipoh, where I major in civil engineering. I have taken a variety of courses that provide me the skill and knowledge to be successful in the site supervisor. Before this, I had followed jobs like this while I in industrial building. You should hire me because my experience is almost perfectly elegant with the requirement you ask in your job listing. I have 1 year progressive experience in the construction site supervisor, advancing from my initial role as a conductor project monitoring to ensure quality construction and safety. I'm independent, hardworking, and good team player. Then I also excellent problem solving and communication skill allow me to communicate information to others. Besides that, I can work under tight schedule. I also have the skill to maintain good working relationship either with the staff, customer, and citizen. I have two greatest weaknesses. The first is my inability to share responsibility. I don't trust others with that work. I know I can do better. So if I have a task, I lose my patience when I suspect that the other person is doing it right. The second weakness is that I'm not adept at measuring how long a task I have to complete. I quite often understand the time it will take to do smaller job. The result was that I didn't give enough time for bigger and more important projects. I must be in a hurry to finish something. Sometimes I miss deadline. To overcome this problem, I have started taking time management course in any of the local communities near me. For stress, I often find that stress is a big motivator for me, and I work well under deadline pressure for several projects at one time. As a student, I often find that I produce the most creative final year project when working with deadline. I recently had a lot of work for some subject, but the stress from the situation pushed me to work smarter and more efficiently. For pressure, I feel that sometimes pressure can be a good thing. Working under pressure has taught me how to prioritize and balance my workload. I once had 3 very important assignments due the same week, but I complete each assignment on time because I meticulously organized and planned how I would tackle each project. Because of my planning and prioritization, I was able to avoid pressure altogether. While I was in industrial building, I and a few other friends of mine were asked to complete a project to be presented in next week. But there was my friend of mine who had a family problems and he had to go back to the village, and I and other friends had to do his job as soon as possible. However, the work we did was not accepted because there was one piece information left. We tried to correct it and we consulted the project manager a lot of review. In the end, our work is accepted and we be proud to be able to help in fact, and I also learned it is very important to understand and listen when the project manager presents information, because if there is a such as a problem, everyone can solve it very easily. My long-term goal is to learn and grow with a company where I can continue to learn, take on educational responsibilities, and contribute as much value to the team as possible. I hope your company emphasizes professional development opportunities. I will make full use of the educational resources I have. Next, I also hope everyone can accept me and help me in various angles kindly and politely. Still, for now, I am excited to focus and apply my technical skill in this job, and I also hope that what I learned in this company can help me to achieve whatever I want one day. So that's all for me. Thank you.